Android. Hey community, we are back with a new episode. In today's episode we are going to talk about Android and Android development. So you may be asking, okay, what's Android? Android is an operating system created in 2008 by Google, actually the Open Handheld Alliance. That sounds like, I don't know, the Marvel Alliance or something super nice.
Where's your guy? Dude, you're embarrassing me in front of the wizards.
But yes, it was created back in 2008 by Google, and basically it's an operating system created for mobile, but you can actually see it in cars, watches, or even your TV. One of the advantages of Android development is that Android is not platform oriented. That means that you can have Android on Windows, Mac, or different environments. Not, for example, as iOS that just works on iOS devices or Mac devices. Google has some free resources online which you can check. You can go to developer.android.com and you will have some free resources from Google to learn. Of course, there are also many paid resources, but that's up to you. I'm not trying to sell you anything. So now I want to explain you how the Android architecture works. I will step aside and I will show you the 5-layer of Android architecture. So as you can see in the bottom, we have the Linux kernel. You may be wondering, okay, more complex words. What is kernel? Basically, kernel is a computer program that runs on the core of this computer that controls everything. Right? So it's the base of everything. The first layer is the base of everything. Here you can find memory management, process management, and it's the first layer that directly interacts with the hardware. The second layer is the hardware abstraction driver. What it does is basically it connects the fourth layer, that is the applications framework, with the kernel, right? The third layer will be the libraries. We already saw what libraries are and also frameworks. You can check that on the episode Libraries and Frameworks. Then we go to the fourth layer, that is the applications framework. This applications framework provides the high-level APIs to build apps on top of it. And finally, we have the fifth layer, that is the application layer, that actually are all of those applications that are running and are out there. Right now we have two programming languages that are related to Android. The first one is Kotlin and the second one is Java. You can use either or both depending, again, on the environment and everything that you are using. I hope that you understood a little bit more about Android development, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and see you in the next episode with iOS development. Bye community!